Okay, I have breakfast going for the birds. I'm waiting for eggs to get done. This is just whatever this stuff is. 10 grain hot cereal. And then I have some pomegranates and some nuts and cranberries and raisins I put in there. And the birds are waiting for their food.
It exploded almost.
And their egg I cooked in the microwave. This isn't very easy to do while holding my camera. Yeah, you want some breakfast? And I just spoon it in there and they eat. Whoops. Hear Mufasa singing. He gets excited in the morning because he can't wait to eat. So, there's their breakfast. Oops, the sun's getting in it. Contrast cannot wait to eat in the mornings. He gets so excited. Huh? Are you excited? And these guys will get their food up here. Mufasa, move. Go back to your own.
Mufasa. Mufasa. Come on.
Tangle's like, give me my food.